Disclaimer: Help at Tech does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only. Any misuse of this content is completely at your own risk. Do not try to attempt to break the law or do any illegal stuff by using this. In that case we aren't responsible.
Hello friends. In this tutorial we discussing about superuser and root. A superuser account is a user account that has the highest possible privileges in a computer or application. Examples of superuser accounts include the root account in Linux and Unix, and administrator accounts in Windows. Running as root entails logging in as root instead of as a sudo user. It is same as an administrator account in Windows. It lets you to do absolutely anything. And anyone that compromises your system too. By default we are in superuser. But we need to change the superuser account into root account.
Before we start, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe our channel, and click on the bell icon, so that you get notified when we upload a new video.
Let's go to the video. Before we start we need to update and upgrade the Kali Linux. This process will take some time. To update and upgrade Kali Linux, we have to use the following command in terminal. Sudo apt-get update and apt-get upgrade. Hit enter. The command update is used to resynchronize the package index files from their sources. The command upgrade is used to install the newest versions of all packages currently installed on the system from the sources enumerated in etc. apt sources list. Packages currently installed with new versions available are retrieved and upgraded. Type Y to continue. Y means yes and N means no. Now we complete the process and our Kali is up to date. As we told earlier, we have to change the super user account to root. For that we need to open terminal and type the following command. Sudo apt install Kali root login. And hit enter. After successfully executed the command, Kali will ask for the password and you need to type the password for Kali, which is Kali. Make sure that the computer is connected to the internet. And also check the Kali can access the internet. Otherwise this command will not work properly. It will take a few minutes to complete the process. And Kali began to restart automatically. If Kali will not restart automatically, we need to restart the Kali. In the sign-in window you need to type the username as root, and password as Tor. And now we are in root account. If you like our video please use the like button. If you have any doubts please use the comment box. You can also join our Telegram channel for 24/7 support. Link is available in the description. See you in the next lecture. The next lecture is about common Kali commands.